Hey there. A few weeks ago, we had a discussion with one of our clients, and at some point, they told us that they would like us to help them get some benchmarks uh, based on, the traffic their competitors get, just so they can communicate things internally, set some expectations, and, plan accordingly, right? Um, I realized that even though we have so many tools and we've built so many great stuff over the years, that was one of the things that we didn't have a good answer for. And so what we did is that we built what we call the benchmarking machine, which is this tool over here. I'm going to walk you through this tool very quickly. Before, let me preface this by saying that with tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs, you can basically compare your domain against other domains that you want to compare. If you're using SEMrush, then you can just like insert your domain and then click on compare domains, add up to 3 competitors, which is kind of limiting. And then you can get some data on how you stack how you stack up against these competitors, like these competitors or competitor domains, right? Now we took things a step further, and what we did is that let me walk you through this tool that we built. We call it the benchmarking machine for obvious reasons. We have the company name, and here we have the client's name, which, once we insert that, it also goes here, client, right? And then we have, as many as 20 competitors that we can add. Of course, we should have their websites. And here we can choose the type. We can have just one client, obviously. And we can have, in terms of, when it comes to competitors, we can have either direct or indirect. And this is important because our tool, the way we build it, allows us to benchmark against direct competitors, or just direct competitors, or just indirect competitors, or all, if that's what we want to see, right? Then we have the monthly traffic, and that's something we bring from, again, a tool like SEMrush or any other tool you may be using. So we need the monthly traffic for this current month. And then we will input the non-branded monthly traffic for the current month. This will be auto-populated, auto-calculated. Then we need the non-branded monthly traffic last year, just so we can see trends on a year-over-year basis, right? And then we have this include column here, which basically, should is functions as simply as should we include that website in these benchmarks that we build, yes or no, in the analysis that we do, in other words, right? And so let's say that we've done that. We've like we've inserted all the data. Then we can come here, choose what you want to see. Do you want to see all competitors, just indirect or direct? For the purposes of this video, we've chosen all competitors, as you can see here. And what we have then is metrics: monthly traffic, current, non-branded percentage of traffic for the current month, non-branded monthly traffic for the current month, and non-branded monthly traffic last year, right? And we can see the median, which is a far better number than the average, especially when there are outliers. But the thing is, even when there are outliers, our tool, predicts for that, which is why we have this include button here, right? Option here, because this allows you to exclude any outliers from a set of competitors, just because you don't want this outlier to, let's say, not distort, but not give you a clear view over how you stack up against your competitors, right? And then we have the client numbers metrics, right? And we have the percentage, the difference basically between the median and the client, right? And here we basically plot them into a nice graph. As you can see, we bring the median here, which is kind of helpful to show anyone who's consuming this really to show them that this is what the median is, and you are below the median, and these are your competitors who are below the median, and these are the competitors that are above the median, right? And through this visualization, you can easily see that this competitor, I think competitor F, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, it's competitor F, which is an indirect competitor. They are sort of an outlier, right? Which is they've managed to grow dramatically on a year-over-year basis again. And you can see the difference, which, for us, that could be as easy. Okay, we don't want to see them, don't want to take them into account in that like exercise. So we will click no here. Data will change, and then you can see that the graph has changed as well. Okay. And then, of course, we have forecasting capabilities, which is something we've discussed in the past. We can then come here and make forecasts based on different scenarios. But benchmarking is, I guess, let me pull this. Okay, benchmarking is the core of this, or the main theme of this video that I wanted to share with you. And yeah, we will keep you updated as we develop this template and create more templates and tools like this. Thank you very much for watching this video.